Welcome to Mipa Paints. Today we're talking about Mipa 1K UV High Build Primer. This is ideal for spot repairs and you can get up to 200 microns of film build on the repairs in only 2 coats. It's quick drying, so this with a UV lamp will dry 3 to 5 minutes. In direct sunlight this will dry in 4 minutes. These spot repairs we've done with the aerosol application and then the spray gun application. This is through a 1.3 to 1.6, 2 coats. This is aerosol with 2 coats. As I said before, 3 minutes to 5 minutes drying with the UV lamp, depending on the power of your lamp. This speeds up the process because there's no heating in the panel. So as soon as you finish drying this, these can be ready to block with 400. Finish off with 800, ready to paint, speeding up the process, saving you drying time in the booth. If you need any more information from the TDS, please click on the link. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.